Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar generators available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Jackery Solar Generator. The Explorer 500 portable power station is built with the lithium-ion battery pack in a safely designed frame structure to maximize and long-last the power for every single use of outdoor adventures and home use. With a 518 watt-hour capacity, it is ready to power many appliances: mini cooler, fan, projector, lamp, light and TV. This power station features one AC outlet, 3 USB ports, 2 DC ports and 1 car port. Its battery management system governs each individual cell, that's improving the battery life cycle while being passed through a charged. This Explorer 500 is easy to carry with its solid handle, that making it a compact and reliable choice for scenarios of camping, road trip, RV and home backup. At number 6 we have Generac Solar Generator. The EC3500 portable inverter generator lets you bring power wherever you go, from tailgating parties to camping trips, the job site and beyond. The durable yet lightweight design is specifically engineered for easy portability. The intuitive power dial integrates the start, run and stop functions into one simple to-use dial, along with electric start capability, all conveniently located for quicker startup. You can select from 2 engine speeds that, depending on your need, to significantly reduce noise and fuel consumption or to maximize power response. The end result is a portable generator with reduced weight and size and power that is ultra clean and capable of safely powering sensitive electronics and tools. At number 5 we have WEN Solar Generator. The WEN 2000 watt inverter generator provides clean energy free of voltage spikes and drops without all the noise of a regular generator. The 79cc 4-stroke OHV engine operates at an extremely quiet 51 decibels at quarter load, quieter than a window air conditioner or the average conversation. This limits its invasiveness while camping, hunting, tailgating and restoring backup power. The WEN 2000 watts inverter generator is also equipped with fuel shutoff. This feature turns off the flow of fuel, allowing for the generator to use up the remaining fuel from the carburetor before automatically shutting down. This helps fight the buildup and blockages caused by stagnant fuel inside of the carburetor, that minimizing maintenance while prolonging the unit's lifespan. It is designed to mirror a pure sine wave. This generator limits total harmonic distortion to under 0.3% at no load. At number 4 we have Generac Solar Generator. Generac offers a reliable, versatile and portable emergency power supply for your home that does not require gas or fuel. With 8 ultra-high power outputs and a variety of DC and AC compatible outlets, you can have maximum power and coverage in any emergency situation. It provides a continual emergency power supply to charge your electronic devices and operate your home appliances in any emergency situation. It enables your family to overcome any disasters and accidents by staying fully charged and connected while in the safety of your home. At number 3 we have renergie Solar Generator. The Phoenix is an all-in-one portable solar power system specifically designed for mobile off-grid applications and is ideal for emergencies. This compact, lightweight backup system combines highly efficient renergie 20 watts monocrystalline solar panels and can expand up to 100 watts with additional PAVs. The Phoenix can be charged by solar AC power or car power and comes with a 17.1 lithium-ion battery. The included 17.1 lithium-ion battery that giving the capability of limitless power. At number 2 we have Solar Generator. Delta can power up to 13 devices simultaneously with multiple outlet options, including 6 pure sine wave AC outlets. It offers up to 1260 watt-hours power, which is ideal for home backup situations where you need to power smartphones, laptops, refrigerators and more. The patented ecoflow extreme technology enables you to charge the Delta from 0 to 80% within 1 hour and offers a full charge in just 2 hours. The ecoflow 160 watts solar panel has a high conversion efficiency of 21 to 22%. Combine the 160 watts solar panel with an ecoflow power station to enjoy improved solar charging in cold and cloudy environments. The 160 watts solar panel is waterproof to endure all weather conditions, ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, climbing, hiking. You can submerge the panel in water for up to 30 minutes with no detrimental effect to the product. At number 1 we have blueeddie Solar Generator. It's made of high-qualified monocrystalline silicon cells, which is 5% higher efficient than traditional monocrystalline. It features wet lamination, thus has better light transmittance, more durable, scratch-proof and easy to clean by wet cloth. The foldable design with handle weight only 9.48 pounds. You can easily adjust the angle by the kickstands for better solar absorption. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar generators for your need.